600 miles west of South America, straddling the equator, lie the Galapagos Islands. This remote but remarkable group of islands has helped to clarify our understanding of life on Earth. The name Galapagos means tortoise, and the islands are well known for their giant varieties of these lumbering reptiles. The islands are just as famous for their surf-loving iguanas, tame seabirds, but above all, for Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection, a theory that he developed when he visited Galapagos 200 years ago. Galapagos is made up of a network of islands scattered over 28,000 square miles of ocean. Archipelago de Colón is the official name given to these islands by Ecuador when it claimed them from Spain in 1832. The old Spanish name Galapagos is still the most commonly used. 13 major islands and scores of smaller islets rise from the Pacific. Each one has its own distinct landscape and population of plants and animals. The human population across all the islands has only recently reached 20,000. Many of the islands are just as they were when naturalist Charles Darwin visited here, and the wildlife is just as approachable. The lack of human and other predatory mammals means the animals have never been hunted, so they are still as fearless as when the first sailors arrived. There are 27 types of reptile, including sea turtles, land iguanas, and marine iguanas. Marine iguanas are unique as the only modern lizard perfectly adapted to living and foraging in the sea as well as on land. They cover the craggy rocks around the shores, basking in the sunshine. 57 species of birds are found on the Galapagos Islands, and half of them are found only here. The frigate is a large black seabird related to the pelican. It catches most of its food on the wing, regularly stealing food from smaller seabirds. Male frigate birds inflate air sacs in their bright red chests. This spectacular display is their way of attracting females. Each breeding season, the females lay a single egg. The time they spend rearing their chick is the longest of any bird on Earth. The comical-looking blue-footed booby is another large seabird found throughout the Galapagos. As their name suggests, these diving birds, cousin of the gannet, are renowned for their brightly colored feet. The surrounding oceans are teeming with extraordinary marine life. The Galapagos sea lion is playful and inquisitive, always keen to give divers a lesson in the art of underwater swimming. From the very first time people visited the islands in 1535, they were amazed by the fearless animals. On Galapagos, the tables have turned. On these islands, wildlife rules.